Today we have the chance to visit E+M in Germany, the famous brand for wooden writing instruments, and to interview the owner Wolfram Mümmler.
Hi there, I'm Wolfram from E+M. We are the producer of fine wooden writing instruments made of wood. We love to work with cult pens and thank you for the good relationship.
E+M has a wide range of fascinating products, from traditional nib pen holders to designer pens. E+M is processing solid native woods, for example oak, cherry, ash, walnut, maple and many others. Let's have a look into the basics of wood turning. A lot of work steps like turning, drilling, sanding and surface finish need to be done to get a high quality product that fits perfectly in your hand. Since 1899, E+M is manufacturing nib pen holders and pencil extensions in nearly endless shapes and decorations. Now, for cult pens, a historical marble design was rediscovered for the exclusive birthday edition.
Happy birthday, cult pens. Thank you for the good relationship and a lot of success in the future. Thank you.